For the next few minutes, do not treat this as something to simply hear. Treat it as something to enter. Because what is about to unfold is not just an explanation, but a shift in awareness, a quiet movement inside you that begins to change how you see everything, including yourself. If you allow yourself to be present, fully, without distraction, you may start to notice something subtle happening. Not loud, not forced, but real, as if something within you is beginning to settle into a deeper understanding. Think back to a time when you wanted something so badly that it occupied your thoughts constantly, something you kept checking on, hoping for, maybe even worrying about, and no matter how much attention you gave it, it did not come together. Now remember another moment, one where something came into your life with ease, almost unexpectedly, a moment where you were not trying to control it, not overthinking it. Maybe you were even indifferent, and yet it arrived naturally. There is a reason for this contrast, and it is not coincidence. It is the way your inner state shapes your experience. Reality is not something happening separately from you. It is something responding to you, reflecting the state you are living in moment by moment. When you chase, when you look for signs, when you keep asking when it will happen, you are reinforcing the feeling that it is not yours yet. And that feeling is what reality continues to mirror. But the moment you shift out of that, the moment you stop needing, stop checking, stop trying to force an outcome, something changes, and in that change, you move into the version of yourself for whom it is already done. And from that place, everything begins to align. This is why assumption is so powerful, because it is not effort, it is not struggle, it is not pretending, it is a quiet certainty, a natural knowing that does not need validation from the outside world. When you truly assume something is already yours, you do not chase it, you do not monitor it, you do not question it, because in your inner world it already exists as fact. And in that moment, you stop interfering with the process, you stop overthinking, you stop doubting, and you allow reality to adjust without resistance. You have likely seen this pattern before, how the more you try to control something, the more distant it feels. And the moment you relax, the moment you let go of that tight grip, it begins to move toward you. This does not mean you stop caring, it means you stop needing, and there is a difference. Needing comes from lack, from the feeling that something is missing, but knowing comes from fulfillment, from the sense that it is already complete. And it is that knowing that shifts everything. But the real work begins after you enter that state, because maintaining it is where most people struggle. At first it feels clear, you feel calm, certain, like you understand exactly what to do. But then time passes, and a thought appears, a small question. Where is it? Why has it not happened yet? Is it really working? And in that moment, if you follow that thought, you step out of the state and back into waiting. This is not failure. It is simply a habit, a pattern that has been repeated so often that it feels automatic. The key is not to fight it, not to resist it, but to notice it and gently return. Each time your mind drifts into doubt, you bring it back, not forcefully, not with frustration, but calmly, like adjusting your direction on a journey. You remind yourself that it is already done, not as a hope, not as a wish, but as a quiet fact. And the more you do this, the more natural it becomes, until eventually the state of knowing feels more familiar than the state of waiting. There is also something important to understand about the time between assumption and visible change, because this is where many people lose their stability. After you shift your state, there is often a period where nothing seems different, where the outer world looks exactly the same, and the mind interprets this as lack of progress. But this is not delay, it is alignment. Reality is reorganizing to match your new state, and that process is not always visible immediately. If you react to this silence by doubting, by checking, by questioning, you return to the old state and restart the cycle. But if you remain steady, if you allow that space to exist without needing to fill it with worry, something powerful happens. You begin to trust the process, not blindly, but from a place of inner certainty. You stop trying to force results, and instead, you allow them to unfold naturally. This is where ease replaces effort, where you no longer feel the need to control everything, because you understand that your role is not to make things happen, but to remain aligned with the state where they are already done. When you can sit in that space without impatience, without the urge to check or interfere, you step into a different way of being, one where things come to you rather than being chased. Opportunities appear without struggle, situations shift without force, and it all feels natural, as if it was always meant to happen that way. And in truth it was, because the moment you changed your state, you changed the path you were on. So from here, the choice is simple. Not easy at first, but simple. You can continue the old pattern of overthinking, checking, and waiting. Or you can step into the quiet certainty that it is already done. You can return to that state again and again until it becomes your normal way of being. And when it does, you will notice that the need to chase disappears, because what you once sought begins to move toward you. Not because you forced it, not because you controlled every step, but because you finally aligned with it. And in that alignment, everything falls into place, not through effort, but through allowing. And as you begin to stay in that state more consistently, something else starts to happen. Something even more subtle, but far more powerful. You stop reacting to everything around you the way you used to. Situations that once triggered doubt or urgency begin to feel neutral, almost distant. Not because you are ignoring reality, but because you are no longer giving it the same meaning. Before, a delay would have made you question everything. A rejection would have felt personal. A lack of movement would have convinced you that nothing was working. But now there is space between what you see and how you respond to it. You begin to understand that what you are looking at is not a final truth. It is simply a reflection of where you were, not where you are now. And in that understanding, you stop letting the outer world control your inner state. This is where real stability begins, because you are no longer depending on visible proof to feel secure. You are no longer waiting for something outside of you to confirm what you already know within. Instead, you carry that knowing quietly, steadily, without needing to explain it or defend it. It becomes part of how you move, how you think, how you exist throughout your day. You wake up without the same urgency. You go through your routine without constantly checking for signs. You begin to live as someone who has already arrived, even if nothing on the outside has visibly changed yet. And this is the point where the shift becomes irreversible, because you are no longer practicing the state, you are living in it. As this continues, you may notice that your thoughts begin to change on their own. The inner conversations that once revolved around lack, waiting, or uncertainty start to fade. You are no longer asking when it will happen or how it will come. Those questions lose their importance because they belong to a version of you that no longer feels real. Instead, your thoughts become quieter, more grounded, more certain, not in an intense or emotional way, but in a calm and steady way that does not need attention. And this is important because true alignment is not loud. It is not something you have to constantly maintain with effort. It is something that feels natural, like a new baseline you settle into. At this stage, you also begin to notice small shifts in your external world. Not always dramatic at first, but clear enough that you recognize something is changing. Conversations unfold differently. Opportunities appear in unexpected ways. People respond to you with a different energy, and situations that once felt blocked begin to open. These changes do not feel forced or surprising. They feel normal, almost as if they were always meant to happen this way. And that is because they are simply catching up to the state you have already accepted within yourself. What makes this process powerful is that you are no longer trying to make anything happen. You are not chasing outcomes. You are not manipulating circumstances. You are not exhausting yourself trying to control every detail. Instead, you are allowing things to come together naturally. And because there is no resistance, everything begins to flow more easily. This is the difference between forcing and allowing, between effort and alignment. One creates tension, the other creates movement. There will still be moments where old patterns try to return, where a thought of doubt appears or a situation seems to challenge your state. But now you see it differently. You do not get pulled into it the same way. You do not follow it or build on it. You simply notice it and let it pass. And then without struggle, you return to the knowing that it is already done. This returning becomes effortless over time, Not something you have to think about, but something that happens naturally because it feels more true than anything else. And as this becomes your normal way of being, something interesting happens. You stop measuring progress. You stop looking at the outer world as a way to determine whether you are doing it right, because you already feel complete within yourself. You are no longer waiting for a result to validate your state. Your state is already enough. And this is the moment where everything fully aligns, because there is nothing left to contradict it. There is no more searching, no more questioning, no more internal conflict. There is only a steady, quiet certainty. From here, life begins to unfold in a different way. Things come to you without the same effort. Paths open without you forcing them. And what once felt distant becomes part of your normal experience. Not because you chased it, but because you became the version of yourself for whom it is already real. And once you become that version, reality has no choice but to reflect it. So now it comes back to you, to this moment, to the state you choose to live in from here forward. Not just when you are focused on it, not just when you are trying to practice, but in the ordinary moments of your day, in the quiet spaces where your true state is always active. Because that is where everything is decided. That is where reality takes its direction from. You can continue to look outside for answers, to wait for confirmation, to react to what you see, or you can stay rooted in the knowing that it is already done. You can carry that certainty with you, not as something you force, but as something you naturally return to again and again until it becomes who you are. And when it becomes who you are, everything else follows.